Hello friends, I am Jayesh. Today we are going to see about Indian freedom struggle. Hello friends. Now we are going to see who are the English East India Company. It was a company that entered during the 17th century in India as traders. They were the second to reach India after Portuguese. John Hawkin was the first person for British to enter India. He did not get permission for trade in India. The next person was Thomas West. He too did not get the permission. Then came Thomas Roy for the third time. He got permission from the Mughal Emperor Jahangir for trade in India. The English East India Company established its first factory in Kolkata near Hooghly River. A fort was also built near it. The Williams Fort was built for the company officials to reside. This led to the conflict with Siraj ud Dowlah, the local Nawab. The English Siraj ud Dowlah was the son of Alivardi Khan and the grandson of Murshid Quli Khan. He was opposing the English East India Company for not paying the taxes and for building the fort without permission. When the British refused to pay taxes, Siraj ud Dowlah marched with his army to the company factory and captured 128 people and put them in a small room. The people died after 2 days, only 8 of them survived. This is called the Black Hole Tragedy. In this, the 8 people survived, and this led to the Battle of Plassey in 1757. In Battle of Plassey, Robert Clive, the governor of Madras Presidency, marched with his army to Plassey and fought against Siraj ud Dowlah. In this battle, Siraj ud Dowlah was defeated and killed by the Robert Clive. Mir Jafar. He was the puppet ruler appointed by the British after the death of Siraj and after the Battle of Plassey. He had a conflict with British and British removed him from the throne and appointed Mir Qasim. Mir Qasim also had a conflict with the company and he united with Shah Alam II and Shuja ud Dowlah so that he can win the British. But in the Battle of Buxar, which happened in 1764, British defeated these three rulers and Mir Jafar was again reinstalled after the Battle of Buxar in 1764. Later, the British rulers thought, these Indian people are always fighting against us, then why should we allow them to rule their territory? We can rule their territory. Let's see what happened after this in the next video. Thank you. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel.